If you're thinking of trying Younet AI, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in, especially if you want to know whether this just released AI software is worth your time or just another overhyped tool. And yes, I've tested thousands of AI tools, so stick around. You can try Younet AI for completely free from the first link below. But here's what you should know before you do, and make sure to stick around to the end, because one of the features that caught me off guard might just change how you use AI forever. First off, Younet AI is positioned as an all-in-one content generation and automation platform, but unlike most tools, it's not just spitting out generic blog posts or ad copy. It's designed to adapt to your voice and audience style by learning from your content over time. If you do content marketing, social media management, or run ads, that's a big deal. Most AI tools stop at generic. Younet learns and evolves. Now, speed. This thing is fast. I've used Jasper, Copy.ai, even custom GPTs, but Younet AI runs smoother, especially when handling batch tasks like repurposing content across formats. Blog to email, tweet to script, done in seconds. The third thing, Younet AI comes with built-in collaboration tools. That's rare. You can manage workflows with your team, assign content pieces, and track edits, all inside the dashboard. It's surprisingly fluid for a new release. Now let's talk integrations. Younet connects with Notion, Slack, WordPress, and even Zapier out of the box. That means automation potential is huge. If you're in marketing, you know how important those integrations are to cut down manual work. Fifth, Younet isn't just about text. It has a visual assistant that can auto-generate branded carousels, slides, and social visuals using your preset brand colors. It's not Canva level yet, but for quick creatives that match your content, it's impressive. Security-wise, this is important. Younet AI runs on encrypted servers and gives you full control over your data. Unlike some SaaS AI tools that openly train on your content, Younet gives you opt-outs and enterprise-level control. Lastly, and this is the wildcard, Younet has an AI coach built in. It actually suggests strategies to grow your content based on performance metrics. I haven't seen that done well before. It's like having a strategist in the loop, not just a content bot. Bottom line, Younet AI is more than just a writing tool. It's a content system designed for marketers, creators, and teams that want to scale quality output fast. If you want to try it for yourself, the link in the description gets you a completely free trial, no card required. And if you're looking for other top AI software I've tested after going through thousands, they're also in the description. Try them out and see which one fits your workflow best.